Okay, right now, I greet now my fellow Nigerians. Well, this now True Life Boy. The thing wey bring me come today on be say na some kind things wey be like say I dey watch on social media. I dey see the way SARS police dey harass citizens, dey harass the youth, all in the name of say yahoo something. But like that, the way dem dey torture dem e no good, because this thing, the thing wey me I dey see, I no know whether na wetin other people dey see for front, because no be one video, no be two, no be three, no be four, no be five I don watch of how SARS take harass guys. Even me, I been once a victim, but that time I fit defend myself. I defend myself, and they got to see am say yes, I deserve to get the phone wey dem see me with. So when they see the phone for my hands, they ask me wetin I dey do. I tell them say I see you out for the work. So I defend myself. They let me go. I show them my ID card and all. But despite that, the thing is getting really too much. It's getting really too much. I watched a video of recent whereby SARS dey use iron till they hit human being. They hit human being. No be say na criminal. Hit human being. Other things wey dey go on. As SARS till they open fire. SARS wan talk to you. They wan approach you as they wan approach you. They wan talk to you. They wan do the investigation. The next thing wey go first come out from the mouth, I will fire you. Fire who? Person wey dey unarmed, person wey no carry gun, you no see knife for im hand. You wey carry gun, you dey wan fire am. Fire am for wetin na? Our IGP do something about this thing, and Nigeria government una do something about this SARS issue, because me I know say boys no get joy. Boys no do wetin, boys no get joy. Na just the truth be that. I dey talk because I don dey perceive the thing wey go happen next if dem no do anything about this thing. I dey perceive wetin go happen next in case dem no do anything about this SARS issue for Nigeria. Our brothers and sisters wey dey Europe, dey other countries, because of all this nonsense, nobody wan come house. Even me myself no wan come. But based on unto this SARS issue of a thing, so everybody dey careful, everybody love their life, everybody get to secure theirself. No be you come now, you come soft, you come draw tattoo, you soft based on your hustling for abroad. You come now, instead of you to dey enjoy your money for your own land again, for your own country, free, waka free, you come dey fear because of SARS. You come dey fear because of SARS. I don first talk this thing before. Our leaders dey dress responsible reach, but still yet dem still dey loot money. Dem still dey loot money from inside the country. Because una go see boy go carry dread, una go say na yahoo boy. Una go see boy manage buy new cloth, new designers, make e take gash, go peperi, go carry a babe comot, make dem too go flex. Una go come say una be SARS, una come dey harass dem. Dey hit dem with back of una gun, dey hit dem with different things. I no dey talk say SARS, though when I first know SARS the first time, those people dey do good work, dey do very good work, but now I no come understand dem again. I no come understand dem. Una know say yahoo dey give money, why una no just join yahoo, una go rush enter SARS. Una go rush enter SARS. I dey see dey hear say SARS dey carry POS. Una dey wey dey do this kind thing fine, na where man take dey work, na there take dey shop, but una dey do this kind thing, una just dey use am take dey harass people, dey beat dem up and down. After una don collect 500,000 from your account, una come see at the next day, una go still wan collect from am again. See, this thing wey SARS dey do, they better see. Nigeria government, una better do something about am. Una better do something about these things. Inspector General of Police, abeg, do something about am. I wan dey beg because of myself. I dey beg because of everybody for that country, for the whole Nigerian, because when e go red, no be this one wey dem dey talk o, because me I know say if boy don provoke, dem come say omo anything wey wan happen make e happen like this. Everybody carry their own. Everybody you dey see am, everybody carry their own. Those boys so dem no get joy. People una dey do like that wey dey watch people. Some people dey wey be like say una never do them like that, but they dey watch this kind thing. If dem come against una, SARS and police for Nigeria, dem come against una, e go come cause war between ourselves, we Nigerians. Because that time if you come here now say boy kill one person, kill one SARS or one SARS, you waka for street one morning you see am say 2 SARS die. That time war don dey come o. That time dem see yahoo boy, joy no go dey again na to shoot anybody wey dem just suspect say na yahoo boy, whether no be yahoo na yahoo. So far dem just suspect you, the next thing na to shoot you. Dem don already start to dey shoot boys dey die. People wey una don shoot una their brothers die, dem no get joy. Una still dey continue this kind thing, una better stop. Make government try reform this SARS issue. Dem dey do good work o. Dem dey try. For the first time when I know dem, no be now again. I no come understand the ones wey dem carry put, wey dem na criminals from Okere, carry gun give dem. I no know, because this kind thing na thief I dey call am, criminals. You go ask money for somebody, suspect, you say you dey suspect am, you dey ask money from am. If you no come give una now, e no gree, una come do wetin, begin beat am. By right, una no get right to check anybody phone. That na the truth. If you dey suspect somebody, fine, move accordingly. Say you dey suspect am, but no be to an extent you come dey check im phone, dey check im privacy. No be like that now. E no good. Sometimes I dey like Americans. For America, if you no get your search warrant, you no get right to enter anybody house come check anything. You understand? You don't have the right. At least we all na human beings. SARS, these people una dey do like this, they be human beings. Government do something about this thing. Not be everybody be illiterate for that country. At least we get senators, make dem look into these things, make dem talk. I mean na because those people no know the law of Nigeria. They don't know the law, they don't know. Now make una just dey treat them like this because of say una be police, una dey work with government, una be SARS. No be like this. They got to reform this SARS issue and they got to do something about this thing fast before it go come cause another problem. Fulani herdsmen dey do their own for there. Government dey find how to make am calm down. Now SARS dey do their own with yahoo boys for one corner. If Fulani herdsmen own don enter, Boko Haram own don already dey there. Fulani herdsmen own don start. You come see am say boys and SARS now come dey get issue. E no go good na. So make dem do something about this thing. Na just wetin I got to talk be that. So we must see there along the line, we still dey look more things wey be like say we go get to talk about. Government, this one no be just talk something. Una do something about am. Make una do what? Do something about am. These people wey be like say SARS and police dey torture like that, e no good. Okay, look am now. I see one on social media. People wey go buy rice, no be say na from border dey go buy am. Custom no dey border again because custom dey inside street, inside town. Shoot people wey dey there, shoot person die for inside the bus. For wetin? People wey no carry arms. Na the bag of rice one no carry am. Well, sometimes things when I dey see for the won't be like I dey see for social media for this our country, e don dey tire me. E dey tire me. We got to do something about this thing. SARS, police, una dey push boys because when una don push them reach the wall, they go bounce back at una. Na the truth be that. Una take this whole thing easy with citizens of Nigerians. God bless una. Just wetin I get to talk with that.